Okay, we are standing in the back of the property on Wine Ridge, and this is a little private wooded, it has wood on the top and beautiful shrubbery and concrete around the bottom and a beautiful brick wall. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then over here are steps that lead up and out to this side of the corner lot, turning and facing still behind the house. And once again, the side entrance where you come into the private gardens here is the back of the home. And here's this beautiful deck. Beautiful, beautiful, spacious. And the room right off the kitchen. There's a kitchen here. And then here's a window peeping through the house right here. And the closer I get, the less you'll be able to see. But let me see if I can turn this part off up here real quick and see if it might get it. No, that's not going to work. But kind of from here, I guess you can see a little better. The kitchen is open here into this room, and that's Chris's reflection. But you can see all the way through the house here and to the front porch. And then once again the deck. Here's the back of the home. Looking at the back of the home, there's a fireplace here. And then the garage is on the bottom, and the master bedroom has a balcony off the master bedroom and a garage, one-car garage right below it. And then bonus room area for a recreation room. This is 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It might be 4-bedroom, 3, I don't know. Beautiful, beautiful grounds. You can park your car down there. But this has just been the back side of the house. And here's a view of homes across the street and things that are nearby. Family style, very nice homes. We'll walk out here and get the view of what's across the street. And then I'm going to show the front of the house. These are very well built. And so this comes out, and this across the street, and what the neighborhood kind of looks like, and the home next door. Then once again, back down to the home. So we'll go back down these steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps. So I'm gonna walk this way around the little walkway here and show how far we are away from the house. Great place to put potted plants or furniture or whatever. Plenty of room for all of that. And then is the locking mechanism for the door. And Chris is going to lock that up. That locks tight, and then you don't really even notice that it's there once it's closed. It's right on the corner. Then the front of the lot, there's a beautiful sunset view and such. Some beautiful landscaping, some rocks and such, and the home across the street. But one really nice thing One more really nice thing is we're parked in it, but here's the view of the home from the street. And of course we're parked in it, and so is a construction worker's van, but there's a circular driveway that drives and circles right out. And also down below, where you enter the backyard, is where you park. There's one parking space there. And then this garden level here on the base, and then the vaulted level there. So let's see if I can let you look in to the kitchen. This might work. This is the area here to, I don't know if you can see through or not in the kitchen. Don't think it's gonna work from there. Yeah, it's not working from there, but I guess it's gotten too dark a little bit. We're losing some light. But anyway, that's the kitchen there. Once again. And from up here, you might be able to see through the other windows across and out. I don't know. You can see the back door from here and stuff. So the windows, the roof looks good, but it's hard to see. Beautiful.